Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a fight? Not with the world, but with yourself. That voice inside that says, you're not good enough. You'll mess this up again. Why even try? That voice is not just annoying, it's dangerous. It is your inner critic, and it's making you hostile towards yourself. But here's the truth: you weren't born with that voice. It was shaped by pain, trauma, rejection, and now it's running the show. In this video, I'll reveal the 7 sneaky, destructive ways your inner critic turns you against yourself. And more importantly, I will show you how to break the cycle, reclaim your peace, and start speaking to yourself like someone you love. Because you deserve that. You've always deserved that. Hi, I'm Anca, a multi-award winning trauma expert and healing innovator. And for the past decade, I've helped countless high achievers, empaths, tech leaders, and everyday warriors silence the war within. I've seen people who've built empires yet crumble under the sound of their own voice. This is not just a mindset issue, it is a trauma response. It is rooted in your nervous system, formed through unmet needs and emotional wounds. So, if you ever felt like your biggest bully lives in your own head, this is not your fault, but it is your time to heal. Now, let's begin.